Greetings, third class. Today we are doing page number 78 in mathematics, sum number 14. Find the pattern and fill in the blanks. We have to find the pattern between the given numbers and then fill the blanks. We have 4500 means 4500, then a blank, then 4510. Now we have to find out the difference between two numbers. We can see there is the difference of 10. So we have one number here. We have two number after 4500. Then the difference is of 5. We will write here 4505. Then we will add 5 in 4505. We will get 4510, which is given. And again we add 5 in 4510. Then we will get 4515. Again we will add 5. Then we will get 4515 or 520. Then again we will add 5, 4525. And again we will add 5. Then 4530. Again we will add 5. Then 4535. Likewise we will complete the table. Next B1, 3003 and you can see 3005. 3 and 2 5. The difference is of plus 2. Here is the difference of plus 5, the series of plus 5, and in the next one is the series of plus 2. Then we will add 2 to the next number. To find out the next number, add 2. Then we will get 3007 here. Likewise, we have to add 2 in the next number. 6722. 6726. Here is ascending order. What the difference then? 4. Only 4. 22 and 4, 26. Then we will add 4 in the given number. Then 6730. Then if we add 4 in this number, then what number will we get? 6734. Every time we are to add 4. The series is of plus 4. Next, here is blank. Then 28,920, 8,930. What is the difference? Here is the difference of 10. Then to find out predecessor, we are to subtract 10. हमने ये नंबर फाइंड आउट करने के लिए इस नंबर में से 10 सब्ट्रैक्ट करने हैं. देन व्हाट द नंबर विल बी 8910. एंड टू predecessor और आफ्टर we will add 10. Add 10 in 8930. Then you will get next number. Then 10 add. Then 10 add. Add 10 every time. Then your series is plus 10. Next point, E. 20,000, then blank, then 18,000. You can see here is reverse counting, means descending order, largest to smaller. We have to find out the difference. 20,000 and 18,000. What is the difference between two numbers? The difference is of 2,000. But we have one number in between. Then half of 2,000 is 1,000. The series is minus 1,000. What is the series of minus 1,000? Now we will subtract 1,000 to the given number. If we subtract 1,000 from the given number, we will get 19,000 here. Okay. Then if we subtract 1,000 from 19,000, we get 18,000. Then subtract 1,000 to this number, you will get next. Then subtract 1,000. Every time you have to subtract 1,000. F 7,889 and 7,865. we have to see the difference between two numbers. The difference is of 24. If you subtract 7889 to, if you subtract 7865, it is reverse counting to 7889. अगर आप 7889 में से 7865 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो आपको क्या डिफरेंस पाते हैं? 24. Because one number is here, there are two number. Half of 24 is 12. Then your series is of minus 12. You have to subtract 12 from this number, then you will get this number. And then subtract 12, then you will get this one. Subtract 12 from 7865, you will get this number. Then subtract 12 from this number, you will get this number 7841. Then again subtract 12 to this number, you will get this one, and every time subtract 12. G 2500 blank 2400. You can see what is the difference. It is also descending order. 2500 minus 2400. Here is the difference of 100, but we have two numbers between. Then the difference is of 50. What is the difference of? Minus 50. Every time we have to subtract 50 to the given number. Then complete this series with the help of this video. I hope you understand. Sum number 15. Form the smallest largest number using the given digit. क्या करना आपने? लार्जेस्ट, फॉर्म द स्मॉलेस्ट एंड लार्जेस्ट नंबर. देखिए बेटा, स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर फॉर्म करने के लिए वी राइट द नंबर in ascending order, and to get largest number, smallest number we write ascending order, and to write largest number we write descending order. Ascending order, in ascending order we write smallest number at first, then the larger, then larger, and after the largest. And largest, first of all the largest number 9, then larger, then smaller, and at the end smallest one. Likewise you have to complete this table. I will do D41U. 0, 1, 2, 3. We have to create smallest number. If we write 0 here, then we have only 3 digits. If we have 0 in any number, then we write larger number than 0 in the given digits. अगर हमें कहीं पर हमें स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर लिखने के लिए कहा जाता है और उन डिजिट्स में 0 भी है, तो हम 0 को सबसे पहले ना लिख करके 0 के बाद जो लार्जर नंबर आएगी और बाकी सबसे जो स्मॉलेस्ट होगी वो नंबर हम सबसे आगे लिखेंगे. देन 0, जितनी बार भी 0 आपके क्वेश्चन में आई उतनी बार ही. देन 2 and 3. 1023 is smallest number, and then 3 is largest number, 2 is smaller, 1 is smaller, and 0 is the smallest. But to write largest number we write 0 at the end. So guys, today do two sums 14 and 15 with the help of this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.